Recently, Elon Musk confidently shared that the Tesla Bot Optimus can autonomously navigate 95% of complex environments and respond in just 20 milliseconds. He also revealed plans to produce 10,000 Tesla Optimus Gen 3 units in 2025. Tesla is tapping into its AI infrastructure, manufacturing expertise, and real-world testing across more than 1,000 practical tasks to prepare for large-scale production this year. In today's episode, we'll examine official announcements and technical demonstrations to explore the feasibility of this ambitious plan and get a clearer picture of the expected timeline and pricing for the 2025 production model. But before we dive into pricing analysis in Part 2 and explore the exact launch time in Part 3, it's important to first understand what we expect from the Tesla humanoid robot and, more crucially, whether it's truly worth the price. Picture this. John Kennedy, nearly 70, lay motionless on the floor, pain shooting through his hip and spine. His phone was just a few steps away, close but out of reach. Then everything went dark. A humanoid robot detected his fall, gently helped him up, assessed his injuries, and instantly sent an alert to his doctor. The doctor's response? They wanted to send him to an assisted living facility, but Kennedy refused, not wanting to lose his independence by being sent to a nursing home, a place where he would become just another old man among strangers, counting the days until the end. But what if there was another option? The Tesla Bot Gen 3 wouldn't take away his independence. Instead, it would help by neatly folding his clothes, keeping his home tidy, and standing quietly by his side when he needed comfort. It could offer a new kind of companionship without sacrificing his autonomy. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 could even take him for a walk or cook a plate of spaghetti in just 20 minutes, allowing John to stay in his own home, safe and independent, for as long as possible. This is the future that Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 aims to bring, and we're just months away from it becoming a reality. As promised, we'll soon share the full production plan and the official launch timeline for Optimus Gen 3. But before we dive into that, let's take a closer look at what Tesla is doing to ensure Optimus is truly ready for the real world. Will it be useful? What exactly can it do? The Tesla Bot Gen 3's design features an advanced artificial neural network architecture based on Tesla's full self-driving FSD system, allowing it to interact with its environment in real time. Milan Kovic's analysis of Optimus's control system shows that the robot processes each control loop in just 2 to 3 milliseconds, updating its state 400 to 500 times per second. This incredible speed lets the robot predict outcomes rather than simply react, a capability Elon Musk describes as seeing into the future. For example, when walking down a staircase, Optimus doesn't just react to each individual step, it anticipates the weight distribution and balance points 3 steps ahead, drastically reducing the risk of falling. This predictive ability ensures exceptional balance and precise navigation, making Optimus much more stable and reliable in real-world environments. This predictive power is further enhanced by a multimodal sensor system. The robot's head is equipped with a 360-degree camera array, similar to those found in Tesla vehicles, while tactile sensors in its hands provide precise pressure feedback. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 is delicate enough to handle a raw egg without breaking it, yet responsive enough to catch a small tennis ball mid-air with pinpoint accuracy. In recent testing, leaked reports revealed that the bot successfully fried an egg, demonstrating its ability to adjust its grip strength when switching from handling a cold cardboard box to a hot frying pan. These mechanical advancements in Generation 3 represent a huge leap forward compared to previous versions. The hand now features 22 degrees of freedom, double that of Gen 2, enabling it to complete an impressive 47 out of 50 tasks with human-like precision. Upgraded tendons and servo motors allow for finger movements with 0.1 millimeter accuracy, as shown in a viral video where the robot autonomously threads a needle. For industrial uses, this level of dexterity enables tasks like circuit board assembly, while for home applications it can perform delicate tasks such as folding clothes or arranging flowers with remarkable finesse. The improvements in mobility are just as impressive. The latest prototypes can navigate slopes up to 45 degrees and descend stairs smoothly, a challenge that previous models struggled with. Tesla achieved this by designing biomechanically inspired ankle actuators that mimic human proprioception, adjusting joint stiffness within milliseconds before the foot contacts the ground. These advancements aren't just theoretical. In real-world field tests at Tesla's specialized testing grounds, the company even shared a video on X showing the robot in action. Optimus skillfully navigates through mulch-covered hills, with Elon Musk emphasizing in his post that the robot can handle highly variable terrain by using a neural network to control each limb, rather than relying on remote control. Additionally, Tesla's VP of Optimus Engineering, Milan Kovac, revealed an unexpected technical achievement. The robot doesn't rely on vision to maintain balance. He even admitted that he personally slipped on the same terrain where Optimus was seen walking, highlighting just how rugged and challenging the environment truly was. Now the big question, how much does the Tesla Bot Gen 3 really cost? The CES Robotics Exhibition Hall was glowing with thousands of LED screens, showcasing next-gen robots tirelessly performing various tasks. Jenny and David walked slowly through the dazzling booths, their eyes full of curiosity as they watched a promotional video of a humanoid robot demonstrating impressive mobility and dexterity. They were captivated by what they saw. This robot wasn't just a household assistant or a medication reminder. It could engage in conversation and provide companionship to the elderly, enhancing their quality of life while also easing the burden on their families. Jenny could already picture the humanoid robot tidying up around the house, helping David carry heavy items, and even keeping an eye on their energetic grandson. A brighter future seemed just within reach. "How much does it cost?" David asked, his voice tinged with hesitation. The staff member flashed a professional smile and replied, "The standard version is priced at $140,000, but we offer financing plans and installment options," the staff member said. David sighed and turned to Jenny. "What do you think? Can we afford it?" Elon Musk's plan to price the Tesla Optimus under $20,000 while keeping production costs around $110,000 is shaking up the robotics industry. This isn't just about offering a more affordable price. It's a well-thought-out strategy driven by three key cost-saving factors. First, lower battery costs. Tesla's large-scale production of 4,680 battery cells is significantly reducing expenses. Second, standardized components. An impressive 78% of Optimus's parts are shared with Tesla vehicles, streamlining both R&D and manufacturing. Third, software monetization. Tesla plans to introduce a subscription model for premium features like AI-powered tutoring or elderly care protocols, creating a new revenue stream. While early adopters will likely include Fortune 500 manufacturers and major healthcare chains, Tesla is already working on a consumer-oriented home edition of Optimus. This version will feature child safety features and even the ability to learn cooking recipes. According to a leaked memo from a major U.S. retailer, Tesla Optimus is expected to launch in the fourth quarter of 2025 at a price of $19,999, with an optional AI service plan for $199 per month. In today's robotics market, Boston Dynamics Atlas remains a technological marvel, showcased in research labs but hindered by its $2 million price tag and limited commercial scalability. These factors make it far less accessible than what Tesla is aiming to offer with Optimus. This significantly reduces its real-world impact. In contrast, Tesla's vertically integrated approach allows Gen 3 to be produced at just 1% of Atlas's cost, while offering superior AI integration. Unlike Atlas, which relies on pre-programmed routines, Optimus learns tasks through observation and reinforcement learning. This was demonstrated when Gen 3 successfully operated an espresso machine simply by watching a human perform the task. Chinese competitors like Uptech and Fourier Robotics have introduced lower-cost humanoid robots, priced between $50,000 and $100,000. However, these robots lack Tesla's advanced AI infrastructure. Their robots mainly follow scripted actions, while Optimus can adapt dynamically to unstructured environments. For example, during a live demonstration, when an Optimus prototype encountered a spilled drink, it paused its task, fetched cleaning supplies, and resumed working, all without human intervention. Now that we know the price seems fair, the real question is, will any of these Optimus units actually reach individual buyers? Or will they all be snapped up by corporate orders first in 2025? Can regular customers even place an order? Or are we just expected to wait while businesses grab them up? Let's break it down. Tesla's internal goal of producing 10,000 Optimus robots by 2025 shows a strong commitment to scaling humanoid robotics. While Elon Musk has acknowledged that this timeline is ambitious, he emphasized that even delivering a few thousand units would mark a major milestone. Currently, Tesla is gearing up for initial production, with plans to build 1,000 Optimus units in the first quarter of 2025, before scaling up to 10,000 by the end of the year. This phased approach is similar to Tesla's strategy for electric vehicles, where early production challenges are addressed step by step to achieve rapid growth. The company's confidence is bolstered by its vertical integration capabilities. Tesla's expertise in battery systems, motor design, and AI training, developed through its automotive division, gives it a major advantage. For example, Optimus's actuators and sensors share the same technology as Tesla's autonomous vehicles, making component sourcing more cost-efficient. In addition, Elon Musk has confirmed that the Gen 3 production lines are being designed to scale to 100,000 units per month by 2026, signaling strong, long-term confidence in market demand. Critics have raised concerns about Tesla's ability to meet these ambitious targets, citing past delays like with the Tesla Roadster. However, the Optimus program has distinct advantages. Unlike the Roadster, which required an entirely new supply chain, Gen 3 Optimus leverages Tesla's existing partnerships with semiconductor suppliers and battery manufacturers. Furthermore, Fremont's factory overhaul for Cybertruck production is being used as a model for quickly scaling up robot manufacturing. In a recent investor call, Musk revealed that Tesla is already testing Optimus prototypes in its factories, where they are performing basic tasks like retrieving parts and monitoring assembly lines. Tesla's data advantage is also a major factor. With over 5 million vehicles on the road generating real-world driving data, the company has amassed an enormous data set that directly supports the AI training for Optimus. This synergy between Tesla's automotive and robotics divisions helps accelerate problem-solving. For example, navigation algorithms developed for full self-driving are being adapted for Optimus's mobility system. Musk's vision extends far beyond 2025. He predicts that Tesla will eventually produce 100 million Optimus robots annually, with the program becoming the majority of Tesla's revenue. While this forecast might sound ambitious, the economics are compelling. At a projected retail price of $220,000 per unit, achievable once production reaches 1 million units per year, Optimus could generate $20 billion in annual revenue. So far, Tesla has identified 5 key areas for deploying Gen 3. These include automating repetitive tasks like component sorting and quality inspection in manufacturing, assisting with patient mobility and medication delivery in healthcare, and improving inventory management in sales processes in retail. Additionally, Tesla bots are being developed for home services like cooking assistance, cleaning, and childcare. These applications are now in the final phase of testing before mass production and market launch. In 2025, Elon Musk is planning a bold new frontier for Tesla bots, using them for maintenance roles within SpaceX's Mars colonies. Instead of relying on human labor, SpaceX engineers are enhancing robots specifically for Mars missions, equipping them with sealed joints and radiation-resistant electronics to build habitats in the extreme conditions of Mars. Initially, there were rumors that Optimus would be designed exclusively for use in Tesla's car manufacturing factories, with no clear indication it was being developed for civilian purposes. Currently, nearly 1,000 humanoid robots are already in use across Tesla's factories, performing tasks that enhance production and gather data for future improvements. This number is expected to grow significantly in the near future. Recent reports suggest that Elon Musk has become even more confident in the project, with the number of robots potentially increasing by 3, 4, or even 5 times. What's the ratio of humanoid robots to humans? Musk speculates. My guess is it's at least 3 to 1, maybe 4 to 1, or even 5 to 1. So we're talking about 20 to 30 billion humanoid robots. Despite Tesla's history of delays with electric vehicle launches, the development of Optimus is moving ahead at an astonishing pace, far surpassing all expectations. Everything surrounding the Optimus project is evolving much faster than originally projected. In addition to ramping up production of Optimus Gen 1 and refining Gen 2, Tesla is also preparing to unveil a high-end version, Optimus Gen 3, which Musk has confirmed will be introduced this year. So far, things are moving ahead rapidly. Optimus has only shown a small portion of its potential. In a recent demonstration, it successfully navigated a fully operational workspace filled with workers and automated systems. Its ability to move through unfamiliar environments is truly impressive. Just like humans, when entering a new space, Optimus might momentarily pause to figure out its path or even get a little disoriented. Large industrial settings like gigafactories require careful navigation, and while humans might rely on maps or directional guidance, Optimus autonomously scans and interprets its surroundings. It can recognize machinery, workers, and spatial data, using this information to make precise decisions and move efficiently within Tesla's factories. Musk isn't the only one who believes humanoid robots will change the world. Investors are pouring millions into robotic startups, with the robotics market projected to reach $38 billion by 2035. As a result, new robotics companies are emerging across North America, China, and Europe at an unprecedented rate. What truly sets Tesla's Optimus apart is its manufacturing scale. According to Musk, Tesla has independently designed every aspect of Optimus, from the actuators and robotic mechanisms to the electronics and battery systems, created in-house by Tesla engineers. This vertical integration allows Tesla to scale production quickly without depending on third-party suppliers. It's also why Musk is confident that Optimus will be priced much lower than industry standards, estimating its production cost at just $10,000 per unit. Tesla's progress with Optimus has been incredible. If development continues at this pace, personal robots could soon become a reality for everyone. Imagine having an R2-D2 or C3PO in your home, with a price of just $19,999. Would you be willing to have a robot live with you, take care of your loved ones, and even watch over your children? And what do you think of Elon Musk's prediction that 100 million Tesla bots will be produced each year? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EVs or Tesla bots, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Theories and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.